The full process of our agricultural harvest, transporting tons of bananas from the plantation to the world.
Once harvested, the bananas are rigorously cleaned in large washing tanks, utilizing high-pressure, rotating.
The conveyor system automatically weighs each batch, ensuring precise measurements before the bananas are transported for shipping.
As part of the agricultural process, the packing line workers are responsible for placing the freshly harvested.
Harvesting begins early while the bananas are still green. They are then cleaned and sorted before entering these cold rooms. Once harvested, the bananas arrive here to be meticulously sorted by size and quality before being shipped out.
As tons of bananas are transported, the defective ones must be quickly identified and removed from the line to ensure quality control.
The weighing scales verify batch weights for transporting these tons of bananas, ensuring efficiency throughout the process. Packing machines place bananas into ventilated cartons for transporting tons of bananas this way. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas, full process. We are printing barcode labels for transporting tons of bananas. This is the full process of how we grow and harvest agricultural bananas. Once stacked, the shrink wrap machines secure the pallets, preparing tons of bananas for transport. Cold rooms regulate temperature for transporting tons of bananas this way. The full process of growing and harvesting agricultural bananas. From growing and harvesting to inventory tracking, this is how tons of bananas are transported. Hydraulic dock levelers align trucks for transporting tons of bananas this way. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas. Conveyor rollers efficiently transport and load tons of bananas onto pallets, streamlining the harvest and distribution process. From the field to the road, we manage the full agricultural process, utilizing dispatch software to transport tons of bananas. From the farm to the consumer, our GPS systems track thousands of tons of bananas every step of the way, ensuring efficient delivery. From the moment they are cut from the stalk, these bananas are carefully processed and quickly loaded for transit, ensuring freshness upon arrival. Transporting tons of bananas requires a full process, from the harvest to the fuel stations where the trucks are refueled.
From the moment they are harvested to their arrival at the distribution hubs, we transport tons of bananas this way.
Transporting tons of bananas this way. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas, full process. Sports. From the moment of harvest, tons of bananas are carefully transported. This full process ensures the fruit. After the harvest, tons of bananas are transported to ripening chambers, where gas levels are adjusted for the full process. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas. Humidity control systems stabilize transporting tons of bananas this way. Our sampling teams meticulously inspect the fruit, ensuring only the highest quality bananas are approved for transport. Digital logs record the conditions for transporting tons of bananas, covering the full agricultural process from harvest. Once harvested, tons of bananas are rapidly transported to our state-of-the-art facility for robotic reorganization and transport.
Transporting tons of bananas this way tonight. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas Ryvern.
Palletizers stack the cartons before shrink wrap machines secure the pallets. Forklifts then move them into cold storage.
Inventory analysis for transporting tons of bananas. Grows and harvest agricultural bananas, the full process. To handle this scale, efficiency is paramount. The bananas are quickly moved from the fields through the
Make sure the count is accurate on the manifest.
We're running behind schedule. Keep the line moving.
Watch the weight on that side. Secured. We're full up here.
Start the engines. Time to go. All right, that's the last one. We're done here.
Thank goodness. Let's get out of here.
From the moment they're harvested, tons of bananas are rapidly transported to the warehouse before the cold storage lights are powered down for the night. From the moment they are harvested, we ensure these tons of bananas are transported fresh through a modern factory process. Welcome to Modern Factory Files. We're tracking the full process, from growth and harvest to transporting tons of agricultural bananas.
Watch your back. This one is heavy. Throw it on the pile. We need to get moving.
To transport tons of bananas efficiently, the full process relies on a coordinated effort, from the initial harvest to the final loading. Once harvested, the bananas are quickly transported to the processing sheds. Here, tons of fruit are prepared daily before
Make sure these are packed tightly for the shipment.
The next container is ready for loading.
After the harvest, the bananas are carefully packed and then shipped along these vital trade routes, reaching markets across the Atlantic and Pacific. From agricultural growth and harvesting, we process and package tons of bananas.
From the lush fields where they are grown and carefully harvested, these bananas are now ready for transport across the country. From the lush fields where they are grown and carefully harvested, these bananas are now ready for transport across the country.
Keep them coming. That's the last pallet. All right, let's roll.
The bananas are carefully harvested by hand, then transported to the packing plant, where they are washed, sorted, and packed for shipment around the world.
Are these 40 cases included in the manifest?
Yes, I just confirmed the count. We are good to go.